Hey everybody, this is Barry with Workshop Hustle, and the other day I was in the midst of a modern style coffee table build, and on the legs I needed two very specific tapers. However, with them being so short, when I pulled out my Rockler taper jig, it just wasn't getting the angles that I needed, and it could have presented itself in a dangerous situation had I tried. So what I came up with to make it easy and simple and repeatable was this. Just a scrap piece of plywood. The video following will show you exactly how I did it. This was just one of those things where I said, hey, I should probably grab my camera and start videoing this. And hopefully this gives you a good insight into being able to make one-off quick tapers in just a very quick and easy way without having to glue up a jig, add hinges. I know there's lots of YouTube videos out there on taper jigs, but this is just a very quick, easy, one piece, slide it through the table saw and you're done and move on. But before we get into the video, please go ahead and hit subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and we look forward to seeing you again.